Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear, showing you this enclosed headache rack finished in smooth aluminum. This one's got clear LED lights. They're actually red LEDs inside. It's got they're all red, and then little dime lights here in the middle. That top box opens up. This one's got the hydraulic tank in the center, so we've got different size tanks we can offer. It comes with all the hardware you need to install it, including the U-bolt kit and the tray, everything you need. It's got different fittings on the bottom, so if you got a cross member in the way, you can use the other side. It's got the side bottom boxes, which are good if you're standing on the ground. You can throw your gloves in there or little items that you have for load securement or whatever you need. Joe bar window, obviously, just if you got a window in the back of your truck. We do these in different sizes. This customer spec'd it out with smooth aluminum doors. We can do checker doors, or we can do stainless steel mirror finish as well as another option. For more products like this, check us out. It's iconicmetalgear.com.